was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations, oh, 'cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken, 'cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
Hey everyone, it's me again. Welcome to Friday's video. I am so glad to have you. If you're new here, my name is Kelsey. Today's video is going to be walking you through my toddler's room. I'm going to be showing you the transformation process, how it looked before and after. It has been definitely a labor of love. I am so excited with how this space turned out. It's honestly one of my favorite places in our house. It's just the perfect amount of girly in my opinion. We love spending our time in here playing together. Alright, so come with me and check out the transformation. So here is a before clip of the room. My husband was using this for his closet. Originally, this room was painted a tannish brown and I wanted to change that to a blush pink. So I got the lightest pink I could find and I really like how it turned out. For the wallpaper, I got that from Rocky Mountain Decals and it really is a statement piece. I just think it's so elegant and magical looking. This is a removable wallpaper, which is so convenient, and especially if you live in an apartment or somewhere where you're renting, you can just remove this so easily. It's a great way to add color and design into your space without damaging any walls. We did end up adding crown molding around the entire room, and I love the way it looks. I wanted Kenzie's room to have a reading area, so I found this canopy, which I will talk about later in the video, but it did have a lot of wrinkles in it, so we just steamed all the wrinkles out. So for the other side of the room, I had a very specific vision in my head, and I'm really happy how it all turned out. We did have this black IKEA dresser, but I decided to DIY it and paint it completely white, which was a great decision. Setting up her room was so fun. It's always cool to see your visions come to life. And this is my mom. She is helping me out, of course, per usual. And this reading area turned out perfect. I loved all the pillows, and it's a place that Kenzie can always come and read whatever book she wants. This mirror is one of my favorite finds. I got really lucky with this and it ended up being on clearance, so I got it at such an amazing price. These shelves are probably one of my favorite things in her entire room. I love them. They're such good quality. They are from Cost Plus World Market. They are white marble shelves. You do have to buy the brackets separately, but you can pick and choose. There are so many different brackets to choose from, so they're kind of customizable shelves, which is really great. And always look out for sales because they do have them every so often. So I believe at the time we were able to get these 30% off. This room was definitely a step-by-step process. It did not all come together in one night. It did take quite a few months. As you can tell, her crib is still up in this clip, and now she is transitioned into her big girl bed. Next, I just wanted to touch on this dresser. I love this dresser so much. I feel like it holds a lot, and this is from IKEA. I will leave the name of it in the description box. The knobs couldn't have been any more perfect for this dresser and the theme of the room. I found these at HomeGoods. They were a set of 6, so I got 2 sets, and I believe they were $7.99 a piece. So for the top of her dresser, I not only wanted it to look beautiful, but I wanted it to be functional. Since I'm the one that can reach up here right now, we do her hair, it feels like every day. It just made the most sense to put her hair bows and hair ties. It's easy to access and I know where they always are at, so I love the convenience of it. I think I got all of the things on top of her dresser from HomeGoods, but I will leave some Amazon links that are really similar that I think would work perfect if you guys are interested.
You say you'll be mine. We're gonna get out of here.
Actually, except for her nightlight, that is from Amazon, and I love that. It is so great, and I believe it's under $10. On the top shelf, her blocks are from Amazon. I will leave them linked. And then the succulent plant is from HomeGoods. The love sign next to that is from Hobby Lobby, and then the picture frame is from HomeGoods, I believe, as well. Moving down to the bottom shelf, everything you see on there, including the beads, the elephant, or is that a giraffe? I'm not sure. The sign, the plant, that is all from Hobby Lobby.
But the city's getting crowded. Hurts every time you say you'll be mine.
So here is an overview of the right side of her room. I love it. It turned out great. Can this actually be my room instead? Because I am so down for that. I forgot how in love I am with this handheld mirror. I found this at HomeGoods. It was only $9.99 and it's just beautiful quality. I love the detail and texture in it, and it sits perfectly on top of the dresser. The hairbrushes were actually a set off Amazon, and I love them. They're just beautiful wooden hairbrushes, and they look gorgeous in this glass box. Here is a detailed look at the mirror. It is this gorgeous iridescent pearl, and it has gold trim all around it. It really couldn't have matched her room more perfectly. So now I can talk about the canopy. I got this off Amazon. I believe it was under $20. I love the lace trim detail. I think it's great quality. It's held up really well, and especially if you have a toddler monkey like I do, I'm really impressed it's actually stuck together this long. On the inside of the canopy, all of the pillows, except one, the star pillow, that is actually from Amazon, but all of the others are from HomeGoods. Can you guys tell I shop there a lot? Because I can't. And of course, I can't forget to mention the whimsical detail. I added string lights on the inside of it, and it's just beautiful lit up at night. Now I'm going to go through everything on this side and tell you where it's from. So starting out with the bookshelf, that is from IKEA. That is just one of the Billy bookcases in a smaller version, and it is only $49. For the top shelf, I just added some vase fillers in the back. This K I found at HomeGoods for $4.99. One of my favorite things on this bookshelf. I think it's so beautiful. It is from World Market for $19.99. The shelf below that just holds a votive candle holder. That was from the Target dollar spot a few years back. And then the blocks are from Amazon, like I had mentioned. And then the shelf below that just has one picture of Kenzie when we were on vacation together. The frame is from HomeGoods. It is a rose gold frame for $7.99. I love the snow globe. It says dream big little one with gold glitter on the inside. It was $14.99 from none other than HomeGoods. I do have one shelf completely dedicated to her books. As you can tell, this little nook area is holding all of her animals, and they are growing, it feels like, by the day. Now let's talk about her bed. I love this bed. It is from Burlington Coat Factory. We got it, of course, a few years back. It is originally a crib, but it does convert into a toddler bed, which is really nice. Then her comforter is from Amazon. It came as a set, and it was really affordable. Of course, she has her favorite dog, Max, that has to sleep with her every night. This boho styled rug I felt like fit perfectly with the decor. This is from Rugs USA, and it's really great quality. Are you guys still with me? I hope so, because now I'm going to be moving on to her closet. This really is a huge transformation. We originally had closet doors on here. We decided to remove those, which was a really great decision. I feel like it opened up the room a lot more. We completely redid the whole closet, and I love how it looks. If you guys want me to do a complete video on her closet transformation, I can. I don't know how much footage I have, but I will definitely do that if you want. This closet honestly makes me so happy, seeing everything completely organized. Everything has a direct place. My mom ended up making these tags for me for Kenzie's baskets. So of course we have another Billy bookcase in the middle here, and these hold all of her different clothing items, socks, pajamas, shirts, pants, all of those fun things. This is her clothes hamper, and it has been working out really well for us. It does have a dirty and clean side. The clean is in case you don't have time to fold your laundry. You can just put it in there and know that that side is clean clothes. For the hangers, we did get these ones off of Amazon. They did come in a set for I believe $9.99, and they have worked really well. I'm telling you guys, this girl is living the dream, because my closet does not look even close to this good. So I hope she appreciates it one day. When I saw this Babe Cave sign, I knew it had to go in Kenzie's room. I thought it was perfect. And the K sign was actually from her first birthday party, so it just flowed really well together. And those are actually both from Hobby Lobby. This little area by her closet definitely needed something, so I added a table and a bedside lamp. I love this lamp so much. I found it at HomeGoods. It is the perfect boho vibe that I was going for. Wow, I really can't believe I got through talking about everything in her room. I felt like that took so long, but if you stuck with me, thanks so much. If you have questions, please write me a comment down below. That is it for this Friday's video. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Basically, that's it. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
So free, I'm a sweet baby.